Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a very special car. It's a 1930 Model A Roadster with a rumble seat. The car has lots of cool options. Got the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. So how we doing?
Great, thank you.
Cool. Yeah, you've owned this a while, huh?
Yeah, I bought it in '85 at Hershey.
Yeah.
I've had it for 40 years.
Cool.
And it's just as when I bought it, and it's still in great shape.
Finished in Washington blue, the cream stripe and brown interior. I think this is the first time you've ever had the top down, huh?
It's the first time in since I've owned it, 40 years. That
Wow, a little less than 1,000 miles and a full restoration on this car. It's the nicest one I've ever seen.
Yeah, thank
Got
you.
some nice options too.
Good car.
Yeah, dual mount spares, wind deflectors. It's got the trunk on the back, rumble seat, 2 spots, wiper, which is pneumatic. This is when times were simpler. Ah, so iconic, right, Warren?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Such a beautiful car. Canvas top, all this oak. These don't seem like this anymore. And another thing, you know, back in the 80s, they built, you know, you had to search through Hershey and Carlisle
To get the parts.
Get the parts.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now you can order them, but they're all junk. You know, they don't fit
You
right.
can build a complete car from scratch, basically,
You can.
on all
Reproduction parts.
reproduction parts.
But they're junk.
Yeah.
You know, the steel in this car is legit, real deal steel.
Yeah.
So pretty. 834 miles on full restoration. Pop out windshield. Still on 6-volt system, or? Still a 6-volt system.
Yes. You can change on it.
Even this is an option here. Pretty cool.
Motor meter? Yeah.
You know? There she is. Got air conditioning, power steering. The top down. So cool. Man, what a cool car. I just don't see them like this anymore. Got the Radiator Protector too. Ahooga Horn. Beautiful chrome. Gas gauge. We just put a little bit of gas in it. Love this beveled rear view mirror. These were all hand built back then. Such a cool car. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Warren, thank you so much for showing us your car.
Well, you're welcome.
Such a beauty.
Thank you.
Give us a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 300 photos today I took on the website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.